Hi friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the topic is evolution. What is evolution? It is a change in the heritable characteristics of biological population. What is heritable characteristics? The character which has to be passed on from parents to offspring. That is called heritable characteristics. So over successive generations. So evolution will not happen even a fraction of second or 1 day or 2 day. It will take million of years. So these characteristics are the expression of genes that are passed on from parents to offspring during reproductions. I can explain about the evolution with the pictorial representation. I'll show the diagram first. So look at this picture. So in this picture, in the first picture, 12 beetles are present. You can see that 12 beetles are present. So initially 12 beetles are present. So these beetles, it can able to do sexual reproductions by themselves. So as you all know, while doing sexual reproduction, obviously variations will happen. So because of this variation, you can see the first picture in the first row. Only one beetle is green in color out of 12. So why this green color happens? Because of the variation. Variation which means changes happens in the color of the beetle. So because of the variation in the color, among the 12, only one beetle can able to form in green in color, others are red color beetles. So where does the beetles lives? These beetles, it lives in the bushes which is present over the leaves. So here another thing may also be happens. So what is the another thing? So there are some crows which is present, which is living on the trees. So these crows which can able to eat the beetles. So what will happen now? So among the 12, only one beetle is green in color, that too hidden by the bushes in the leaves. So what about the rest of the 11 beetles which is red in color? So the red color beetles can be eaten by crow. So what will happen to the next generations? So most of the red color beetles now eaten by the crow, the green color beetle will be survive because it can be hidden themselves within the bushes. So these green colored beetles cannot be seen by the crow. So obviously next generation more number of green colored beetles will be formed. Very few number of red colored beetles will be formed. Over the generation, what will happen? After 3 or 4 generations, there is no red color beetles because all the red beetles will be eaten by the crow. Only the green color beetle can able to survive. This is the first situations. So what will happen to the second situation? You can see the picture which is present in the second row. You can see now. Here also the variation happens. See, because of this variation, what will happen? So among the 12 beetles, instead of green color, now blue color beetle will be formed. So the color changes happens. Because of the color changes, instead of red color, blue color beetle will be formed. Now the crow can able to see both red color beetle and also the blue color beetle. So both color beetle will be eaten by the crow now. So obviously the count of red beetles and also the count of blue beetles will be simultaneously reduced. So simultaneously another thing also be happen. What will happen? The elephant come there. The elephant stamp its feet on the bushes. So the beetle which is present in the bushes, most of the beetles will be killed by the elephant. So mostly red color beetles will be killed by the elephant food. Very few blue beetles can able to survive now. So obviously these blue beetles, it can able to do sexual reproduction. So at the end of generation, all the beetles will be formed in blue color because all the red beetles will be killed by the elephant. This is the second situation. So first situations and second situations over. So see now, here we can able to differentiate the thing which has given in the both first situation and also the second situation. Here and all I have given the explanation for you. If you cannot able to understand, you can read out it. You can able to understand clearly. So see now, in both situations, the frequency of certain genes in a population changed over generations. It leads to evolution. So the first situations also variations happen. In the second situation also variations happens. So what kind of variations happens in the first situation and also the second situations? So in the first situation, instead of red beetle, green color beetle will be formed and more green beetles will be produced. In the second situation, instead of red beetles, blue color beetle will be formed and very few blue beetles will be produced. Why? Because green beetle will be escaped from the crow because it can hide themselves in between the bushes, but not the blue color beetles. So obviously, some of the red beetles will be killed by the elephant and very few blue beetles are present. So these blue beetles will be, it can able to produce the generations. So very few blue beetles will be formed in the second situations. So see, in the first situation, survival advantage happens. So more green beetles will be formed. In the second situations, survival disadvantage. That is, no survival advantage happens in the second situations. Clear? So in the first situation, more number of population will be formed. In the second situation, less number of population will be formed. Even though it will be a more number of population or less number of population, variation must happen. So because of more number of variations, because of more number of population in the first situation, more variations happen, so more beetle will be formed. Even though in the second situation very few beetles are present, that too minute variations happens in the gene frequencies, but it will not give any adaptations conditions. Okay children, I hope you all understood about this video very well. If you have any doubt, you can contact me at any time. I will clarify your doubt. Still, third situation concept is there. I'll explain the third situation concept in the further videos. Thank you.